Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, Techtronics. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be reviewing the cordless air duster for computer cleaning. Merc Mac keyboard cleaner with LED light. It's 15,000 mAh, rechargeable battery. It has a powerful 45,000 RPM motor. It's fast charging and it's a handy, efficient cleaner. You can't beat it for the price. I like it. I enjoy it. It helped me clean up a lot of stuff. I think it's a great buy for the price, and there's a couple of things I like about it, and we shall take a look at this video to see. Today we're going to be reviewing the brush type air duster. It does blowing and dual use. It has simple operation and gear adjustment and safe and reliable. So let's look at it. And it has a 15,000 mAh battery. So let's take a look at this. And we're gonna test it out on cleaning this device here. It's really dirty, as you can see. We might have to take some of it apart a little bit. But let's get into this. Let's get into this indeed. All right, so I'm opening the box now. We have charging cable. We have the unit itself. Pretty cool. And we have the attachments. You put that there, or you can put that on there like such, and it's pretty cool. It's very handy. I personally, I don't use the attachments. I like to get that straight air out of there. Like, the attachments tend to fall off, and I think you might see that. We got the USB charging cable. We got some paper that came with it. Let's see what we got. That would be the instruction manual. Okay, it's the 201 user manual. So I ordered this off Amazon. I could talk about the price and stuff later, but let's get down to business. So I have this computer here. This is an oldie but goodie. I'm not gonna run it. But I'm just gonna clean it. But here's the thing. Let's get back to this here. Back to this. This thing is supposed to be it's supposed to run at like 45,000 RPMs or something like that. And let's see, we got the light, so we can put a little. That feature alone sets this apart from the rest. Like, a lot of them, I don't see them out in the market with a light. That light is the LED light. It's very handy for getting into dark places. It is awesome. So light on the subject, and then we can start blowing it out. I'm ready when you guys are. Let's see, I'll scoot this back over here. And then we might have to take some of this apart to really get into it, because as you can see, some of the stuff down here is just insanely dirty. So let's see here. Let's make an adjustment here. All right, so I got the light shining on it. I got it ready to go. Let's see. Now the thing is, to get it started, you have to hold the fan button before it'll start. And then you got two settings. You got a low and a high setting. Very handy. I just go right to the high setting because that's most effective and it's very powerful.
And that's what it sounds like, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it runs like. That's what it looks like. I'm impressed. It's got a little power to it. And I gotta move this stuff around. So we'll take this Radeon 9250 out. I mean, this is an old computer. I might put an SSD in it in another day or something like that. But I'm just gonna clean out what I can. Now, you have to hold the button a little bit to get it to turn on. And all kinds of dust is being blown.
So that's really it, you know, like it's a great device. I really like the light. I really like the power that it has behind it. And I like the fact that it charges quick. And like, I didn't even charge it. I just pulled it right out the box and started using it. It seemed to have a powerful charge. So it's in stock. You can get it. I recommend it. I highly recommend it. And the price is not bad at all. So if you like the video, please like the video, share the video with a friend. Also, feel free to visit all my links down the bottom. Thanks for watching and have a great day.